Hey everybody, it's Greg from Team Anderson at Penrith Home Loans. Today was the big Fed meeting day, so they came out and lowered rates by a quarter. So what does that mean? That doesn't mean that your mortgage rate is going to go down by a quarter right now. It just means that they lowered the overnight rate, which is what banks pay to borrow money from the Fed. Okay, that's the first time they've had to lower rates since 2008. Generally, when they're lowering rates, it means they feel like we are heading into a recession. I want to clarify, a recession doesn't mean that your house is going to drop 40% like maybe it did in the last recession. That was a pretty special circumstance. In most, if you go back to the Great Depression, in every recession, except for the one we recently went through in 2008, every recession between the Great Depression and then the 2008 recession, home prices were flat to up during a recession. So you don't have to be afraid that your home is going to all of a sudden, crash in value. As far as interest rates go, the Fed also followed up their interest rate cut by a quarter with a comment that basically laid it out where they are not necessarily just getting ready to lower more and more and more. And so what that does is that changes the market's opinion about where interest rates are going. So interest rates are holding flat. The long-term 30-year, 15-year fix are holding flat right now. They might go up a little bit, even off of some of that news that the Fed is not looking to aggressively lower. Or, if there's something out that comes out, like on Friday, the jobs report comes out. If that jobs report is a little weaker than expected, we could see a little dip in rates. So the main point here is that when the Fed lowers rates a quarter, it doesn't mean that the 30-year fixed mortgage also goes down a quarter. So if you want more one-on-one information about this, for your situation, give us a call, 425-235-7001. Team Anderson at Penrith Home Loans is here to help you. Have a great day.